Hello there. In this video we will see how to calculate mean for grouped data. Finding mean for group data has some steps. First of all, let us see the steps and then we'll proceed to the examples. So as you see the steps here, to find the mean from a grouped distribution, the first step is find the class mark or class midpoint, which is represented by XC. How to get the class mark or the midpoint? Take the average of each class, lower class limit plus upper class limit, divide by 2. That's going to be the representative data of each class. Then the second step, multiply the class mark XC by the corresponding frequency and then add them. Finally, the mean will be the sum of the upper result divided by the total frequency. Better to see by example. The first example here, the following is the age distribution of 20 students in a class. Find the mean age of students. That means the total frequency already given to you 20. It says 20 students. So we can add and check. 2 plus 7 is 9 plus 6 15 plus 5 20. That is the total frequency. The class interval of each class are given to you. The first class, it contains from 14 to 18, second class 19 to 23, and the third, it continues in that manner. So first let's find the class mark. Let us construct a table and let's find it. Okay, therefore the first class mark, the first class midpoint will be 14 plus 18 divided by 2, which will be 16. When you add them, it will be 32. And then 19 plus 23, 42 divided by 2, 21. And the next class will be just 26, then 31. These are the class mark for each class. Therefore, now to find the mean according to the rule, let's multiply the corresponding frequency times the class mark of each. Let's do it. That means I will multiply 16 by 2, which will be 32, and 21 times 7 will be 147, and 26 times 6 will be 156, then 5 times 31 will be 155. Therefore, when you multiply each frequency with the corresponding class mark, 2 times 16 will be 32, and 7 times 21 will be 147, and 6 times 26 will be 156, and 5 multiplied with 31 will be 155. Therefore, I'm going to add the whole result here, f times xc. When you add them, it will be 490. That is the summation of f times xc, the product of the corresponding frequency and each class mark. That's going to be the sum, and the summation of the frequency already 20 we said. Therefore, the mean formula, mean equal to summation of f times xc over summation of the frequency, the sum of the frequency, which is 490 divided by 20. So when you divide, you can cut 0 by 0, and 49 divided by 2 will be 24.5. that will be the mean. Let's add one more example. The second example, again, here it is. The class limit is given. Lower class limit and the upper class limit for each class are given, and the corresponding frequencies are also there. So as I did before, let us prepare a table here, and let's find the class mark for each class. Then let us see the result. Therefore, when we extend the table and prepare for the class mark, as you see, I'm going to take the average of 25 and 26, between 25 and 26, which will, 25 is the lower and the upper one is 27. So add them, then divide by 2, what comes? 26. The second class mark will be 23, then 20, 17, and 14. It's not written in increasing order. Actually, it's written randomly. It's okay. It doesn't affect us. But in case of median, we have to write it properly. Like, for example, the last class, it has to be the first one because that is the least one, in order of increasing or decreasing. It doesn't matter. Then these are the class mark. Then each class mark are multiplied with the corresponding frequency. 5 times 26 and 7 times 23 and 14 multiplied by 20 and 11 multiplied by 17 and 3 times 14, and the results are written here as you see. Then the summation of the frequency is 40. You can add in check. The summation of this corresponding frequency multiplied with the class mark will be 800. Therefore now it's going to be easy to calculate the mean. The mean will be, mostly mean will be represented by x bar, which will be the summation of f times xc divided by summation of the corresponding frequency, which is 800 divided by 40. When you cut the 0 here, and it will be 20. That's going to be the end of the video. Thank you for watching.